Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix engine malfunctions in your Ford Focus. First, when your engine malfunction light illuminates, do not ignore it. Immediately check your dashboard gauges for critical warnings like overheating or low oil pressure. Next, ensure your fuel filler cap is securely tightened, as a loose cap is a common culprit for triggering the engine light. Pay close attention to any changes in your vehicle's performance, such as rough idling or decreased power. Finally, use an OBD-ROMAN2 scanner to retrieve any diagnostic trouble codes, which provide vital clues. Many engine malfunctions stem from sensor or emissions issues. A faulty oxygen sensor, for instance, can significantly decrease your fuel economy and potentially damage the catalytic converter. These sensors typically need replacement around every 50,000 miles. Similarly, a malfunctioning mass airflow sensor can lead to engine stalling and other serious performance problems. If you encounter a P0420 diagnostic code, it often points to an inefficient catalytic converter, requiring further investigation of your exhaust system for leaks or damage. Problems within your fuel and ignition systems are frequent causes of engine malfunctions. Misfires, often signaled by P0300 diagnostic codes, commonly originate from worn spark plugs or faulty ignition coils. It is generally recommended to replace these components around every 100,000 miles for optimal performance. Additionally, ensure your fuel injectors are clean and functioning correctly. Issues like low fuel pressure or a dirty fuel filter can also severely impact engine performance, leading to hesitation or stalling. For persistent or complex engine malfunctions, professional diagnostic checks are crucial to accurately pinpoint the root cause. Adhering to Ford's recommended maintenance schedule, including regular oil and filter changes, is vital for preventing many common problems. Addressing minor issues promptly can save you from more significant and expensive repairs down the road. When replacing components, always opt for genuine Ford parts or high-quality aftermarket alternatives to ensure compatibility, reliability, and the long-term health of your vehicle.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.